Hello everybody. This video is going to show you how to make a Padlet, and that is your challenge number 5. It's a little bit difficult, so you really need to watch this video. The first thing you're going to do is go to the site padlet.com. I already have an account, but this is how you sign up for a free account. You need to ask mommy and daddy to put an email address and create a password for you and then sign up, okay? Since I already have an account, I'm gonna go ahead and log into mine. So I am in my account, and the only thing you have to do is click on Make a Padlet. You should probably choose the first one because it's the simplest. So go ahead and choose that. It will automatically give you a name for your Padlet. I'm going to choose to change it. I'm going to call it my fabulous Padlet. Then I'm going to say that it is not made with a taste for adventure, but it's made with love. I can choose an icon if I want to. There are lots of icons. I'm going to go ahead and choose some hearts. There they are. And you don't have to choose an icon. Then you go back. This is going to be the address for your Padlet later. Next, you're going to choose the wallpaper. Now it's definitely not going to be Christmas. So I'm going to click here. And you can choose from colors or gradients. I really like the gradients. I'm going to pick this one. But you can also choose from textures. It gives you all these choices. You can choose from pictures. It will give you all these choices. I try not to choose too many things that are different. Or you can add your own wallpaper. Mine is finished. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm not going to touch any of these things. And I'm not going to do anything here. I usually click this for you guys because I don't want you guys to post on mine. Okay? Then next, and I'm all set. So I can start posting. The way you post is you click on it twice and it's going to give you a square. And the first thing I can do is I can maybe put a picture that I want to put. So I'm going to put to have passed because I know I have that on my computer. I'm going to load that up from my computer because I have a picture of that. Here we go. And then I've got a picture of to have in the past. Next, I'm going to put another post. Click here. And this time I'm kind of lucky because I have an infographic stock in my account because I put all of your infographics on. And I'm going to put Mila's infographic on my Padlet. Next, I can go into these 3 little points and I can draw a picture. So I'm going to click on draw. I'm going to use my favorite color. We all know that's pink. And I'm going to draw a flower. And then maybe I'll make a purple flower. Uh-oh, my drawing is not very good. That's okay. And I'm going to save it. I forgot to add a title. I'm going to call it my flowers. There we go. I'm going to click again, go to those 3 little points, and I can make an audio recording for example. So here we go. Hello, this is my silly recording for my Padlet. You can say anything you want to. I'm going to play back and save because I want to make sure I don't sound too silly, right? Hello, this is my silly recording for my Padlet. Sure, that sounds good. And I'm going to call it my silly recording. And I'm going to go ahead and save. And you'll see that when you save a recording afterwards, all I have to do is click on it. Hello, this is my silly recording for my Padlet. And then I can have my recording. Now I'm going to do one more. Click here, and you click on the 3 little points. You've got lots of choices. You can put a YouTube video, you can put GIFs. I'm going to choose a photo image search. And I want a photo of some kittens because I like kittens. And I'm going to pick a picture of kittens. Oh, look how cute. I want a kitten. Here we go. And I'm going to call it kittens. There we go. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to complete this challenge, you need to have 5 things on your Padlet. You can choose whatever you want. I showed you how to do it. You just go to those 3 little points and it gives you lots of little choices. Okay? So let me just get rid of that. You can do more if you want, but you don't have to. When you're finished with your Padlet, this is what you need to do. Now, before you send it to me, this part is very important. You're going to click on this up here where it says share. And you're going to change the privacy. You're going to make it a password. You're going to make it so that no one can write. They can only read. Okay? And you're going to be sure to pick a password that is simple for Sarah. My password is going to be Sarah. So I want your password to be your name. Okay? Andres, be sure to click save. Okay? There we go. Next, you're going to send it to me. I will show you how to do that. You need to go back and you need to copy the link. So I'm going to copy it.